Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change your Valorant in-game name. So let's get started. So just go to Google and type Riot Games. You'll be getting the first link riotgames.com. Just select that and here you'll be having a sign in option. So you need to sign in with your Riot Games or Valorant account. So once you're logged in, you need to just click on your account name and you'll be having option called as settings. Just click that and you will be getting an interface like this, and here you can see we will be having the Riot ID, and this Riot ID is common for all the Riot games including Valorant. So I'll just go and change this to latest gamer or something, and I'll just put some other hashtag. Maybe something like this. Yeah, so here you can see it says Riot ID can be changed every 30 days once. So you need to be super careful, make sure that you have a good name before changing it, and once you're done changing the name you can just click on, and it says I can again change the name after a month over here. And now I am inside my Valorant account, and here you can see my name and ID has changed instantly. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of programming videos. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.